going to catch up a little bit on the markets this week. What we've seen this week in the marketplace is, once again, corn is pretty stagnant, going up, going down just a little bit. We had some Chinese sales on Wednesday of this week, spiked the market up about 4 cents a bushel immediately. It faded back off into the close. So just not getting very much traction. The big keys are out here right now. The funds are still short about 260,000 contracts of corn, and the producers are obviously long a lot of corn. Coming into Friday, we got options that expire. Lots of options sitting out there that are going to expire worthless. A lot of people replaced cash grain with calls. Those options are going to expire worthless, so not seeing much traction there. On Monday of next week, we got first notice day. Anybody long July futures, corn, wheat, or beans has to be out on Monday, or could face deliveries on Tuesday of next week. So there's a lot of bushels got to be sold. I think this is the one thing that's going to pressure the market over the next few days is just the amount of grain that's got to move. A lot of producers are going to be out here trying to sell cash grain. We've got bills coming due, fertilizer bills, seed bills coming due. So we're going to see a lot of cash grain start to move. We have seen a big pickup in the cash grain this week as far as movement goes. 6 to 10 day weather outlook is for above normal precip, which is varies the market. We also have temperatures coming in about average to slightly above average, 6 to 10 and the 8 to 14 both. So with the rains that we got last week, we just don't have anything real positive to report on the marketplace. We're still looking for this market to be under a little bit of pressure here for the next couple weeks and possibly into the new crop as this crop develops. The one thing else I might mention, we started wheat harvest last week. Wheat's looking very, very good quality wise. We got some rain there over the weekend, slowed it up. We picked up the pace in the middle of the week here and starting to get a lot of wheat in. Wheat is extremely good quality this year. Probably some of the best quality wheat we've seen in several years. So that's very good. Yields are anywhere from slightly disappointing on the very early wheat, thinking maybe the frost hit it, to very, very good on the late wheat that's got fungicide applied to it. So besides that, I think everything's looking good. Just keep an eye on those bins. We're still seeing a lot of quality issues coming out of the bins, but that being said, we'll talk to you next week.